Welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I recently had the opportunity to test out a pair of Mildhug 4K night vision goggles. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. These Chinese names are weird, but I'm here to share my thoughts with you. Now let's step up our night vision game. Design and build quality. The design of the Mildhug night vision goggles is sleek and modern, with a focus on functionality. They feel sturdy and durable thanks to the high quality plastics used in its construction. The adjustable neck strap ensures a comfortable fit for extended use, and the lightweight design prevents neck strain even for prolonged wear while you stalking your prey. Performance is where these night goggles shine. The clarity and the range of the night vision provided in low light conditions are impressive, but not when recording or taking pictures. The screen itself is good compared to the recording, which is trash. I don't know why, it's grainy. But here's some of the performance highlights. Image quality, the goggles are clear and sharp, impressive looking at the screen. Even in complete darkness, the built-in infrared illuminator is powerful, providing excellent visibility up to 1,315 feet. The 4K 3.2 viewing screen is bright and sharp. So maybe I'm doing something wrong? I don't know. The battery, on a full charge, the 4,000 milliamp hour battery lasts around 6 to 8 hours, which is sufficient for most nighttime activities. The goggles also features an auto shut-off function to conserve battery life when not in use. And the goggles are easy to use, the controls are intuitive and easy to operate even when you're wearing gloves. The focus and brightness adjustments allow quick tuning to different environments and lighting conditions. The 4K night vision goggles come packed with several useful features. Multiple viewing modes. The goggles offer different viewing modes, including a black and white mode for optimum contrast and a green mode to reduce eye strain during extended use, and a color mode to use by starlight. The photography capability is okay, but it is grainy in low light. But it is capable of taking pictures up to 36 megapixels. The recording capability is one of the features that stands out, so that's why I wish it was a little bit better. The 4K recording and video saving footage to the included 32 gig micro SD card. This is particularly useful for surveillance or wildlife to observe it. Also, the goggles are IP54 weather resistant, making them suitable for use in various outdoor conditions. Also, there's a tripod mount on the bottom, standard, so you can use with a standard tripod for steady video or pictures. These night vision goggles are versatile and can be used for a range of activities such as watching wildlife, perfect for shooting nocturnal animals without disturbing them, hiking and camping, enhances safety and navigation during nighttime activities, surveillance and security. These are useful for monitoring or patrolling areas in low light conditions, and in emergencies, these can come in handy where visibility is not so good. Let's do a recap, pros and cons. What you get in the box: a neck strap, 32 gig micro SD card, USB-C to USB-A data cable, carrying case, cleaning cloth, and user's manual. Excellent performance, 4K image quality in complete darkness up to 1,315 feet. Excellent battery life up to 8 hours, and the goggles are easy to use. Features: multiple viewing modes, photography and video recording, and the goggles are water resistant IP54. Now for the cons. It doesn't come with a battery charger, but you can use any old USB-A charger. The screen can give you away at night, so they can tell your position. The animal sees it, and it's smart. Animals are smarter. They pay attention to things now. People killing them. But anyway, also the video and photos in low light, they are very, very grainy. So in conclusion, these 4K goggles is okay. The screen is sharp. Only thing I wish that the video recorded and photo taking was better. But they are at a good price, and I believe they would be good for somebody just getting their feet wet. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And share this video with anyone who can benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute.